Hey everyone, so is Dropbox not working for you? Maybe it won't open, files aren't syncing, or the app keeps crashing. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you rely on it to access your files. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Dropbox not working in 2026. Most of these steps only take a few minutes and get Dropbox back up and running. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to function properly, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network and ensure it's working. Next, restart the Dropbox app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. This often resolves temporary glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of Dropbox. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues or crashes, so updating can fix many problems. Sometimes cached files can cause Dropbox to stop working. Clear Dropbox cache on your computer or clear temporary files and restart the app. Make sure the files or folders you're trying to access aren't restricted or read-only. Dropbox needs proper permissions to sync and open files correctly. If Dropbox still isn't working, try reinstalling it. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent problems, and that's it. Most Dropbox issues can be fixed by checking your internet connection, updating the app, or reinstalling it. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.